Hi everyone, welcome to DVS Math channel. We are going to discuss about converse of BPT. In previous session we discussed about basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. So now we are going to discuss about the converse of that theorem. So now let's start. The statement of converse of BPT, it is an opposite of BPT. In that what we studied, if a line drawn parallel to any one side of a triangle to intersect other two sides at distinct points, then other two sides are divided in the same ratio, right? But here it is a reverse. You can take the reverse of that. That means if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, observe here, if I consider the statement, if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to third side. There the line is parallel to any one side of a triangle, but we have to prove that the other two sides are in the same ratio. But now they are giving the other two sides of a triangle are in the same ratio. We have to prove that the line is parallel to the third side. Okay. So I am repeating again, and remember here in this converse of BPT, statement is very important. They may ask for 1 mark, state converse of BPT, and proof is not important, so important, but if you know once it's better. So now again I am repeating the statement. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to third side. It is an opposite of BPT. Now let's go for figure. First observe the figure here. ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle, and DE we have taken the line. That's all. We are not saying it is parallel to BC now. Here we are not taken DE is parallel to BC. But they have said that it divides if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio. Here AD by DB, AE by EC, they are in the proportion, they are in the same ratio, but here we have to prove DE is parallel to BC. So what is a given? In triangle ABC, like this you have to write, in triangle ABC, and the line here, just you have to mention the line DE intersecting AB at D, AC at E. Observe here, in triangle ABC, line here, just we are taking a line here, DE line, which is intersecting AB at D and AC at E. Clear? So now what is such that the given you have to take, that is AD by DB, AE by EC. What we have to prove here, this line DE is parallel to BC, DE is parallel to BC, DE parallel to BC, we have to prove, that is line parallel to third side. Here we have to take construction, and remember in mathematics sometimes we are going to consider contrary statements. Contrary, it is parallel. For example, here we are taking the other statement here, that is draw DE parallel to BC, means other than DE is not parallel here, but we are taking DE dash parallel to BC. We are taking another line, that is DE dash, we are saying that it is parallel to BC. This is the construction. Contrary statement means negative statement, that means DE dash is parallel to BC, then we are saying that DE dash and DE both are same here. Clear? So now first write the given, that is triangle ABC and the line DE intersecting AB at D, AC at E, such that how it is intersecting, this AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. The ratios, the two sides, the triangle are divided in the same ratio you did. Next what we have to prove, this line what we have taken DE is parallel to BC, we have to prove. So what is the construction? We are taking another line, DE dash is parallel to BC. Clear? Now let's go for next. Let's go next. Proof. As you all know, if a line is parallel to any one side of a triangle, we can apply the BPT here. So since here we are saying DE dash is parallel to BC, so from BPT by BPT we can apply their other sides are divided in the two sides are divided in the same ratio. That means here we have to take AD by DB, AE dash by E dash C we have to write. See here, we should not take E here, just we are saying that DE dash is parallel to BC. So here we have applying BPT, that means AD by DB, here AE dash by E dash C. This is, take it as equation 1. Then what is the given in the given data, that is AD by DB, AE by EC, write it. So in both the cases, LHS is equal. Observe here, this is just by taking DE dash is parallel to BC, we are applying BPT, and we took these two sides are in the same ratio. Take it as equation 1, and in a given data they gave AD by DB is equal to that two sides are divided in the same ratio. Take equation 2. Now observe equation 1 and 2. In both the cases LHS are equal. So if LHS are equal, we can take RHS are equal from 1 and 2. Here you can take AE dash by E dash C, that is from here, is equal to AE by EC. Clear? So observe, again I am going to explain. Here first we took here DE is parallel to BC. Just we are taking that statement. So for this we are applying AD by DB, and AD by DB is equal to AE dash by E dash C. Clear? So this is that statement. Then what is given in data? It is given that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So that is equation 2. So now in both the cases LHS equal. So we are equating the RHS. So let's to next. So now add. Here you can see this, adding 1 on both side now. You observe this side now. So for this case, I think this is we done in corollary of BPT. You observe here, this is we did in corollary of BPT. That means adding 1 on both side and taking LCM like that, right? So now we are doing the same thing. Now we got RHS are equal, no? For that we are adding 1 on both side. 1 on both side. So now after taking 1 on both side, taking LCM. So here you can observe AE dash plus E dash C by E dash C is equal to AE plus EC by EC. Clear? So now observe the figure. If you take like this, AE dash by EC, if I take, observe what is AE dash plus E dash C. AE dash plus E dash C means you will get completely AC, correct? E dash C, keep it as it is. Then again AE plus EC. AE plus EC, again I am getting AC by EC. So in both the cases AC is common, cancel it. 1 by E dash C is equal to 1 by EC. So here we can consider both are equal here, EC and E dash C. EC and E dash C. When it is possible, both are equal. Observe here, if I consider first here from previous, we took that RHS are equal. For that we are adding 1 on both side, then taking LCM. Then if we observe in the figure E dash plus E dash C, together it will get AC. Again AE plus EC, together will get AC. Denominator will remain same. So in both the cases AC common. So 1 by E dash C is equal to 1 by EC. So if we equate them, we are getting EC is equal to E dash C. That means this both are equal. That is EC and E dash C both are equal, they are saying. When they will be both are equal? When they coincide each other. That means these both lines are equal here. The both lines are equal when they coincide each other. So that at that time we can say the both are equal. So thus E and E dash coincide. That means coincide means E and E dash are same here, same. So therefore what I can write, since what is our construction, what we told, construction DE dash is parallel to BC. Therefore when both are equal, what you can write, DE is parallel to BC, hence proved. So please understand it. First take data that is in triangle ABC and a line DE intersecting AB at D and AC at E dash, such that we are taking the other, here they are saying the triangle in the same ratio, that take AD by DB, AE by EC. This is data. And what we have to prove, this line DE is parallel to BC, and here you have to take another line DE dash which is parallel to BC, and if this DE dash is parallel to BC, we are going to apply BPT. So applying BPT, their other two sides are divided in the same ratio, that is AD by DB is equal to AE dash by E dash C. Take it to equation 1 and take the given one. Given AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. From equation 1 and 2, LHS are equal, equate RHS. Then in next step, add 1 on both sides. For that we are taking RHS are equal, right? So for that add 1 on both sides. If you add 1 on both sides taking an LCM and observe the numerator, if you observe the numerator through figure, you will get AE dash plus E dash C, together you will get AC. Again here AE plus EC, together you will get AC. So AC cancel, you will get 1 by E dash C is equal to 1 by EC. So finally you got these both lines are equal, that is EC is equal to E dash C. When they will equal, they both coincide each other. This here it is like this DE and DE dash and DE. So if they coincide each other to a single line only, they will get EC is equal to E dash C. So therefore when they coincide each other, we can say that they both are same, right? So what is our construction, what we took? DE dash is parallel to BC. So here E dash and E both are same, then DE is parallel to BC. This is about proof. So from here the same BPT, in BPT you have to write both statement and proof you have to learn, but in converse of BPT only if you learn statement is enough. But remember, we are going to take this concept when solving the problems.
For exercise questions, subscribe my channel and keep watching. Thank you.